I think someone missed me. In case you don't remember, the rain follows me. So, we're about to see a drought end in California. I don't know how much rain they've had, but with all the fires they had, I'm assuming not much. And you're saying, you shouldn't be riding in the rain. Hey, if I didn't ride in the rain, I'd never get to ride at all. And it's dinner time. Time for my last meal, I think, if they're still open, in Watsonville, before I leave in the morning. Happy Garden for a little Chinese food before I go home. I admit, there's part of me that wants to wait till I get home to eat my own Chinese food, but it's a long way. So, gotta do it. Can't wait till tomorrow to eat. I mean, I guess I could. I mean, in a pinch, I'm sure I could. But I don't have to, so I'm not. Alright. Nice rain. This guy splashed me with the truck. I'm gonna freaking hit it with something. The water's pretty deep. It's like a river. Feet are about to get wet. Yep. See. Very wet. Happy Garden. Nice. Whew. It's coming down. Yep. This is what my life is normally like. Back to reality.